Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set any song as your alarm on an iPhone. First, you'll need to download GarageBand. Head over to the App Store. Search for GarageBand, link is in the description, and download it. Now, before opening the GarageBand app, you'll need the song you want to set as your alarm. To do this, go to YouTube and find the song you'd like to use. Screen record the part of the song you want as your alarm. Once you've done this, open the Gallery app and go to the screen recording you just made. Tap the share icon and select the video to audio shortcut. If you don't have this shortcut yet, you can watch my other video, linked in the description or in the top right corner, to learn how to get it. Once you tap on the shortcut, save the file. Next, open the GarageBand app and go to Audio Recorder. Tap the top left icon. Then tap the small plus icon in the right corner. Here, you can set the length of the alarm manually, or choose automatic. After that, tap the loop icon. Then tap Files and select the audio file you just converted. Drag it to the timeline and play the audio to make sure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the arrow in the top left corner. Then tap My Songs. On the file you just created, tap and hold it. Then select Share and choose Ringtone. You can also set this as a ringtone if you'd like. Set the name of the alarm, tap Export, and you're done. Now, go to the Clock app. Set an alarm. And when you tap Sound, you should see the alarm tone you just created. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.